7 bagong beauty queens ang kinoronahan kagabi sa Binibining Pilipinas. Nagpapasalamat si Maria Angelica De Leon na pinangalan ng Binibining Pilipinas International sa kanyang mga taga-suporta.
Thank you so much for all my Delayans, all the people that have loved and supported me from the start. This crown is for you.
Si Miss Universe Philippines Rachel Peters, ibinahagi naman ang naging karanasan. Ayon sa kanya, sa question and answer segment siya pinakakinabahan.
I was very nervous. As soon as I got off stage, I was trying to think about what I was saying, and I couldn't remember, but all the girls were saying, "Oh, you did really good, you did really good," so that kind of calmed my nerves a little bit.
May abiso naman si Miss Universe 2011 third runner-up Shamsi Supsupli sa mga nanalo.
Ngayon siguro enjoy muna. Parang savor the moment. Kumbaga, they all deserve that. Kasi sobrang pagod, diba? So I think they deserve rest.
Sinabi naman ng CNN Philippines anchor na si Mitzi Borromeo na hindi daw madali ang kanilang naging trabaho bilang hurado.
It was tough because there are a lot of good candidates really this year and a lot of very smart ones. So when we had to do the deliberations, we had to vote over and over for the top two, for international and universe. But I think we have a good set of candidates this year, and I think a good chance for the Philippines.
Nasungkit ni Nelda Ibe ang Binibini Globe na titulo. Binibini Intercontinental naman si Catarina Rodriguez. Si Elizabeth Clancy tinanghal na Binibini Grand International. Habang Binibini Supranational naman ang nakuha ni Chanel Thomas. Runners-up sina Charmaine Elima at Cristel Buelos. Mula 2010, patuloy ang pagkabit ng Pilipinas ng mga posisyon at maging mga major titles sa mga beauty pageants. Kaya naman ang pinakamalaking pagsubok para sa mga dalagang ito ay tapatan o di kaya'y higitan ang mga tagumpay ng mga Pilipinong nagsipagbigay ng karangalan sa bansa. Nicolette Henson Hizon, CNN Philippines.